Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Express Mathematics. Today I am going to explain you about the factorization. So before starting, I want you to make sure that you subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that I will be encouraged to make similar type of videos, and you will also get information about my videos. So without delay, I will start my today's presentation. Factorization. So before factorization, we need some terms related to it. We need to know about monomial. So monomial is the algebraic term expressed as the product of number and variable with power, which is whole number. So this monomial is the algebraic term, means here number times variable. It is the product of number and variable, that is known as the monomial. Okay, so here power of the variable is the whole number. So algebraic term expressed as the product of number and variable with power, which is whole number, is called the monomial. These are the example of the monomial: 3x root 2xy minus x square y, etc. Polynomial, the monomial or the sum of the monomials is called a polynomial. So it can be root 3x, or sum of the terms of the monomial is root 3x plus root 2xy minus x square y. It is taken collectively, that is also known as polynomial, or any one single one is also the polynomial. Or in other words, we can define polynomial in this way: the algebraic expression with whole number in indices of the variable is known as the polynomial. So any algebraic expression which has variable's power whole number is known as the polynomial. Examples of the polynomials: half x plus yz. This is the one example of polynomial, because there x power 1 whole number, y power 1 whole number, z power 1 whole number. Here x power 2 whole number, x power 1 whole number. 4 only means there is no x, but if no x means there can be x power 0 hidden, because x power 0 value is 1. Okay, so now here x power 0, its value is equals to 1. So in this 4 only means here x power 0 is hidden. So this 0 is whole number. Here x only written means x power 1. So this 0, 1, 2, this all are whole number. And similarly here this is not the polynomial, because x power 2, using law of index, when it goes up it becomes x power minus 2. Minus 2 is not the whole number. It is integer but not the whole number. So this is not the polynomial. Okay, and the polynomial consisting of only two terms is called the binomial. Okay, so here prefix by meaning is 2. So the polynomial consisting of only two terms is known as binomial. Here in this is the binomial, because it consists of two terms, and the polynomial consisting of three terms is called the trinomial. Okay, so here it has three terms: one term, two terms, three terms, so it is trinomial. So now factorization, the process of expressing an algebraic expression into product of its factors, is known as factorization. So in algebra, if we can express any expression into the product of two factors, then that is called factorization. So factorization in arithmetic also same meaning. 4 equals to, if you write 2 times 2, then that is also the factorization of 2. 6 equals to, if you write 2 times 3, that is also the factorization of 6. Same thing applies in the case of algebra as well. So now the main thing in factorization is, if there is any common, first of all we need to take out common. Common means your HCF of 4 and 8. HCF of 4 and 8 means the highest number which can divide 4 and 8 both. That 4 is the HCF. You can also write 4x means 4 times x. 8 means you can write 4 times 2, so that it is easy to take out 4 common. So 4 can be taken out. So after you take out 4, x remains here and here remains 2. So 4 times x minus 2 is our required answer. Similarly, we have another expression. Here also, before factorization, we should first of all see what is the common from all, or what expression can divide to all of them, or what is HCF of all 3 terms. So here 2 can divide all of them, and smallest power of the variable comes out as common. Here 3 power, here 2, here 1, so x power 1 comes out as common, and 2 can divide all of them, so 2 also comes out as common. And in my previous videos I have taught how to find out HCF of 3 numbers. You can also use calculator and find out HCF of 4, 6 and 8, so that you know easily that 2 is the common, and from variable which has smallest power you can take out that one. And this 2x can divide 4x cube, 2x square times, so 2 and x square will be here. This x cube you can write as x times x times x, so so here this one x cube, this x cube means you can write x times x times x. So if you take out this x common, okay, if you take out this x common outside, then this x times x, that x square will be left inside, and from this x square also if you take out x, then here x remains. Now next factorization, where there is no common from all 3. Okay, so before this we had common from all 3 terms, but here we don't have the common from all 3 terms. X is here, x is not here, x is here, x is not here, and m is here, but m is not in this. So if there is no common from all the terms, then we should find out whether there is common from any 2 or not. So we have common from these 2 terms, m is common from 2 terms, and a is common from these 2 terms. So we can take out common from these 2 terms, and we can arrange them. We can enclose these 2 terms by bracket, enclose these 2 terms by bracket, and from these 2 terms we can take out m as common, and here x plus y remains. From these 2 terms we can take out a common, and we have x plus y. And from this here is x plus y, here is also x plus y, so x plus y can also be taken out as common, and what remains is m plus a. So this is our required answer. So now we have next question. X times x minus 3 minus 4 times 3 minus x. So here is x minus 3, but here is no x minus 3. So to take out common, here x minus 3, then here also must be x minus 3. For that we write this minus x first, and 3 has no sign before this, means plus sign. Okay, so here minus 4, we write minus x here, and this plus 3 here, and this minus x so this minus x we have, and then this plus 3 meaning is this is minus times minus 3. So from here this minus common comes out, or minus 1 common comes out, and from this also we can take out 1 minus or minus 1 we can take out, and after that what remains? X minus 3 remains. So this minus 1 is common here, and from this also minus 3 means minus 1 times 3, so minus 1 has already come out, so what remains is x, and here remains minus and 3. So x minus. Okay, so now here we have x minus 3 in this case, and also x minus 3 in this case. In both we have x minus 3, so x minus 3 will be common. So x minus 3 will be common from both, and this minus times minus 1 is plus 4. So we have not taken out x minus 3 common. In next step we will take out common. This x minus 3 and this x minus 3 both are common, and this x minus 3 we have taken out, and what remains is x plus 4. X plus 4 remains. So this is our final answer. Now our next expression in which there is no common from all the terms. In this we have make pairing. Okay, so here if we directly take out minus 1 common, then here will be a plus b, and here 1 common, there will be 1 plus ab. So in this way, in this case, we can't take out common directly from given two terms. So we have to arrange. Okay, and we have to arrange, and while arranging, what we can find out, we can arrange this first and last. Okay, so from first and last, if you take out here a common, here will be b minus 1, and from here minus 1 if you take out, here will be b minus 1. Same thing we will get. This arranging matters we can do in rough and then see, okay, whether same common will come or not. Look at here ab, and then minus a if you take out, and then minus b plus 1 if we write together, and then if you take out here a common, here remains b minus 1, and here also if you take out minus 1 common, there will be b, and then minus times plus will be here minus, so 1. Okay, so same common came. So if same common came, then we can write here in the fair way. So a common, b minus 1 minus 1 minus times plus minus 1, and now b minus 1 is common like before. B minus 1 is common from this both, so b minus 1 will take out, and what remains is a minus 1. In this way we can easily factorize by rearranging the terms, and after rearranging, if any two terms are common, we can take out and factorize. Now next question. So in this question also we can't take out common from all the terms. So if there is no common from all the terms, here also like before, we will try to take out common from two terms, and again from next two terms, and see. Okay, so here xy common, x remains, plus here after taking xy, here remains yz, and here if you take out z, x plus, here also remains yz. That means this grouping is okay. Now xy has been taken out common, so here x remains, plus xy has been taken out common, here remains yz, plus from these two z is taken out common, here x remains, and here yz remains. So as I have already said, z power 1, here 2, so smallest power of the variable comes out as common. Z1 limits 1 is the smallest power, so the variable having smallest power comes out as common. Now here we have same expression, x plus yz same, so that x plus yz can be taken out, and what remains is xy plus z. So this x plus yz and xy plus z, this is our required answer. So now I have written here some questions for practice. So if you practice these questions, then you will be able to factorize, and after getting it factors, if you multiply factors, you will get question. This is the way of checking whether your answer is correct or not. In that way we can easily check whether our answer is correct or not. And now factorization of difference of two squares. Since the product of a plus b and a minus b is a square minus b square. Product of means if you multiply a plus b and a minus b, you will get a square minus b square. So if you multiply two terms or two expressions and you will get third expression, then these two terms or two expressions are the factors of this third expression. And now therefore factors of a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b, because multiplying a plus b and a minus b we will get a square minus b square. So factors of a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b. Now example in which we will use the formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b. So our formula is a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b. So using this formula we can factorize, because this first term is perfect square and the second term is also perfect square. Okay, if we have two perfect square terms and there is minus sign in the middle, then we can use this formula for factorization. So x square, x whole square you can write, 36 square root is 6. We can use calculator and find out the square root, and we can write 36 as 6 whole square. And so we can do so. So this one we can write like this way. This equals to, this is x whole square minus 36 means we can write 6 whole square, and in place of a we have x, in place of b we have 6. So using this formula, in place of a we can write x, in place of b we can write 6, in place of a x, in place of b 6. So replacing this a by x and replacing b by 6, we can get these two factors of this x square minus 36. In this way we can easily factorize x square minus 36. Now next example, here also in the same way you can do this p square minus 25, that will be p square minus 5 square. So that can be written as p plus 5 times p minus 5, like this way, exactly the same way. And in this, square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4. So 9x square you can write 3x whole square, and 16y square you can write 4y whole square. And using this formula we can write as 3x plus 4y times 3x minus 4y, in place of a 3x plus in place of b 4y, in place of a 3x minus in place of b 4y. Like this way we can factorize this expression. So now next example, as I have already told that in any factorization problem, first of all we should see that whether there is common from both or not. So every question starts by taking out common. If no common, then only we will search another process of factorization. Otherwise, first of all we should start by taking out common. So x power 3, here x power 1, smallest power of the variable, that x power 1 comes out as common. And HCF of 72 and 50, HCF of 72 and 50 is 2. Okay, that means 2 can divide 72 and 50. 2 is the highest number which can divide 72 and 50. And this HCF of 72 and 50 you can find out by using calculator. I have already taught how to find out HCF of two numbers using calculator. So you can watch that video and find out the HCF using calculator, and that HCF will be common of 72 and 50. So here 2 is HCF of 70 to 50, and from this x, so here 2x and 36, 2 can divide 70 to 36 times. From x cube, if you take out x square remains, and 2 can divide 50 25 times, and x has already been taken out, so 36 x square minus 25 is here. And now 36 square root is 6, and this x square means x whole square we can write, so 6x whole square we can write for this 36x square minus 25 you can write as 5 square. Now it is in a square minus b square form, so we can use a square minus b square formula. So a plus b means 6x plus 5, a minus b means 6x minus 5. So 6x plus 5, 6x minus 5, so this is the required answer. Now here are some questions relating to this a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b, and here we have this question, and after you get the answer, if you multiply the factors of this, you can get the question. In that way you can easily check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, so that will help you to multiply. Okay, that will help you to enhance your multiplying skills, and you can also check the answer in examination also after solving whether your answer is correct or not. To be confirmed, you can multiply the factors, and if you get answer, you will be confirmed that your answer is correct. Similarly, this also you can factorize and find the value of the following expression by using difference of the squares. You can find out in this way. You can practice these questions. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon so that I will be encouraged to bring similar type of videos. Thank you for watching.